In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unbind a CMS collection in Webflow. This is an essential skill for any Webflow designer who's looking to update their site's content dynamically using collections. Let's walk through the process together to make sure it's as clear and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll want to open up your Webflow project and navigate to the page where your CMS collection is located. Look for the collection list element on your canvas. It's crucial because this is where your dynamic content is sourced from. Once you've selected your collection list, head over to the Element Settings panel, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This panel houses all the connections to your CMS content. Now the task at hand is to disconnect each connected field. These fields could include various types of elements such as images, text headings, links, and more. Start with one of these elements, for instance, an image. Click into the image settings and you'll see an option to disconnect it from the CMS collection. Simply do this for all the individual elements in your list. The idea here is to fully unbind these components from your current collection, freeing them up for other purposes or for connecting them to a new collection. Once all the links are severed, you're now ready to make the change. If you wish to select a new CMS collection for these components, you can do so by returning to the Settings panel. Here, you'll have the option to choose a new collection from your existing database. This allows you to refresh and update the content on your web page, which can be incredibly useful for maintaining timely and relevant information. Alternatively, if your goal was to remove the collection entirely, now would be the time to do that. By having all elements unbound, you can safely remove the old collection without affecting your page structure, ensuring that your site remains intact and functional. This process is a bit like resetting your connections or starting with a clean slate. It's particularly useful if you're redesigning your site or restructuring your content. Not only does it provide flexibility, but it also enhances your creative control over how content is displayed and updated on your site. I hope this step-by-step guide has brought some clarity to the process of unbinding a CMS collection in Webflow. By understanding how to manage these dynamic elements, you can keep your designs fresh and adaptable to the ever-changing needs of your website. Thanks for joining today's session and happy designing.